I love coffee and computers. Let's have a cup of coffee and restore this computer from 1997. This is the 166 MHz Hyundai P5000M, and of course I found it in the dumpster. The case has yellowed, but I found another P5000M, and it hasn't yellowed as much. However, it's pretty dirty and is missing its legs, so I will replace the yellowed front panel with this one. But I do have one big problem. None of them has any of the cover plates, so I will have to make my own. First, let's remove the components and take a closer look at them. The motherboard is MSI 5148 version 1.1b. Both motherboards came with EDO RAM, and I will replace them with SD RAM. This is a 24-speed CD-ROM from Sony. It has a Maxtor 2.37GB hard drive and a 3D Rage plus 2 DVD, and a 200W power supply from Hyundai. And the power supply has some weight to it, and I'm going to assume it is of good quality. I will use this sound card from Modonix with a real OPL chip. Isn't it pretty? This is nasty. I think I'm going to use the sink. I think this is good enough. It could be a good idea to remember to take this with you. And now we're going to make the covers for this computer, and my brother is going to help me. And here is the metal sheet. Yeah, we're ready to cut with a plasma cutter. So this is a test welding. So that was the end of that video. Part 1 is complete, because my brother didn't have more time, and it is going to take a long time to complete it. So we're thinking of having a metal sheet that goes over the computer and simply make some holes here to attach it. I'm not going to make it bend here and then add the screws here like normal. I wanted to make it as easy as possible. But the metal sheet was not long enough, so it would stop here. So we have to attach another metal sheet over here. And he has to weld it in place, and it takes a long time. So weld it and then not brush, but make it nice. And then I have to paint it with some spray paint, white spray paint. So it's going to take a while, and yeah. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you next time.